Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we published a new video.
The magic onion, things you didn't know onions could do. Onions are a natural cure for many health problems. It is the best remedy for severe vomiting and as a general antibiotic that can boost your immune system. The onion is from the allium family and is rich in sulfur, providing the onion with its antibiotic and antiseptic properties. Onion is also extremely high in antioxidant quercetin, which helps the body to fight free radicals. Natural cures. Respiratory conditions respond well to onion juice as it is a great expectorant. Onions are good for cholesterol levels, heart, arthritis, a great antioxidant, and good for diabetes due to its flavonoid and sulfur compounds. Onions have been used as a standard treatment for thousands of years. Ear pain infection. Chop onion and put them into a thin sock, and tie the sock closed. Place the flattened onion sock over the troubled ear and cover the head, ear sock with a hat to hold the sock in place. The transparent film of the onion skin will stop moderate bleeding immediately. It also acts as an antiseptic for the wound. A cough. Peel a large onion and slice in half. Cover the face of each onion with 1 tablespoon of brown sugar and cover the onions for 1 hour. The sugar-onion relish should be taken twice a day to help with a cough. Fever. Slice an onion into thin slices. Rub the bottom of the feet with coconut oil. Put a thin slice into the arch of each foot and wrap with cling wrap. Cover the onion feet with sock overnight to allow the onion to draw out toxins and the illness from the body. Vomiting. Grate 1 white or yellow onion. Press the onion juice from the onion wrapped in a cheesecloth. Brew a strong cup of peppermint tea and let it cool. Drink 2 teaspoons of the onion juice and wait 5 minutes. Drink 2 teaspoons of the cool peppermint tea and wait 5 minutes. Repeat both the onion juice and peppermint tea until the symptoms subside.